What if I told you the secret to one of the Middle East's most beloved comfort foods is just 3 simple ingredients you probably already have at home? This is Mujadara, a dish so humble yet so flavorful. It's been passed down for centuries from grandmother to grandchild. And today, I'm showing you how to master it in your own kitchen.
Whether you're craving comfort, cooking on a budget, or simply want to experience a piece of Middle Eastern heritage, this recipe will change how you see rice and lentils forever.
Mujadara is more than just food. It's history on a plate. Dating back over 900 years, it first appeared in Arabic cookbooks as the everyday meal of farmers, traders, and city dwellers alike. In Lebanon, Syria, Palestine, and Jordan, Mujadara is a symbol of hospitality and humility. The word Mujadara means pockmarked in Arabic, a playful nod to the speckled look of the lentils scattered throughout the rice. Traditionally, this was the dish people would cook when fasting broke, when budgets were tight, or simply when families wanted something hearty, healthy, and satisfying.
In fact, in many homes across the Levant, Fridays were Mujadara days. It's cheap, it's nourishing, and it fills the home with an aroma that can only mean one thing: family is gathering.
This dish isn't just delicious. It's packed with plant-based protein, rich fiber, and slow-burning carbs that keep you full for hours. It's naturally vegan, gluten-free, and so budget-friendly, you can feed a family of 4 for just a few dollars. But here's the magic. It tastes like it took hours to make, when in reality, it's one of the simplest one-pot meals you'll ever cook. Here's what you'll need.
1 cup brown or green lentils, washed, drained. 3/4 cup long-grain rice, basmati or jasmine. 3 large onions, thinly sliced. 4 tablespoons olive oil. 4 cups water or vegetable broth. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander, optional but adds depth. Salt and pepper to taste, optional garnish. Chopped parsley, yogurt on the side, or crispy fried onions for extra indulgence. Here's how to make Mujadara like a pro, with a few hacks to make it even better. Start by heating olive oil over medium heat. Add your sliced onions and a pinch of salt. This draws out moisture and helps them caramelize faster. Don't rush this part. The secret to Mujadara's flavor is the deep sweet caramelization of onions. Keep stirring until they turn golden brown, about 20-25 minutes. Remove half for garnish later. Trust me, it's worth it. In the same pot, add your washed lentils and 4 cups of water or vegetable broth. Simmer for about 15 minutes, just until tender, not mushy. Adding a bay leaf or a pinch of cinnamon at this stage adds a subtle warmth to the flavor. Now stir in your rice, cumin, coriander, salt, and pepper. Give everything a quick mix, then cover and cook for another 15-20 minutes until the rice is fluffy and the water is absorbed. Wrap your pot lid in a clean kitchen towel before covering. It traps steam and gives you perfectly fluffy rice every time. Once cooked, gently fluff with a fork, top with the remaining caramelized onions, and serve with fresh parsley or a dollop of yogurt on the side.
Traditionally, Mujadara is served with a simple salad of tomatoes, cucumbers, and lemon, or a side of tangy yogurt. You can also serve it cold as a picnic dish. It tastes even better the next day. Use bulgur wheat instead of rice for a nuttier texture. Add garlic to the caramelized onions for extra punch. Swap brown lentils for black beluga lentils for a gourmet twist. In a world of complicated recipes and endless ingredients, Mujadara reminds us that some of the best meals are the simplest. It's a dish born out of necessity, yet celebrated for its flavor. Whether you're cooking it for your family, your friends, or just yourself, you're not just making dinner. You're keeping a 1,000-year-old tradition alive.
If this recipe made you hungry, hit that like button and subscribe for more Middle Eastern recipes that bring history and flavor to your table. And if you make Mujadara, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations.